Leaders and members of the All Progressive Congress for Ikpoba Okha local government area don gather to make am known to the national body, all leaders for the state, and the general public say na Endorse Osarobo be the authentic APC leader for Ikpoba Okha, and say make people not mind the yamayama endorsement wey Victor Ekhator endorsed Honorable Johnson Agbonyima, also known as EJ, as the leader for the local government.
APC! Osarobo is our leader! APC! Those who agree that Osarobo is our leader say ah! May God bless you all.
Amen. Among the ward chairmen, women leaders and youth leaders, Pa Jolly Igbinovia, leader Ward 3, Esther Okpera, Ekhator, Joy Osadolo, Monday Erahon, and others come talk say Osarobo na the authentic leader wey dem know, and say make EJ leave Ikpoba Okha alone, make dem for fit win the election for the local government.
In this local government, no to national chairman, state chairman, our leader in Edo State, Adamali Oshomule, leader in Edo South, Honorable Pius Ekbera Odubu, former deputy governor of Edo State. Everybody knows that Osarobo is the leader of Ikpoba Okha. Is that not so? Yeah. Any other person are not recognized. At all. We have peace in Ikpoba Okha. Osarobo is the leader, and we are ready to deliver Ikpoba Okha with Osarobo.
I want to tell every one of us, and I want to ask a question: who is a leader? What makes you a leader? Is it good for a leader to be imposed? No. No. Don't impose a leader. It is the people that choose who will lead them. Yes. By their action, by their performances. By their action and their performances. Yes. A leader number one, a leader that cares for his followers. I want to tell you, my leader in national state, that we are begging you people to leave Ikpoba Okha alone. Don't spoil Ikpoba Okha for us. Ikpoba Okha is a family local government. Yes. I have been in Ikpoba Okha before this local government was created. So I know every corner and I know everybody. All politicians, you know me. EJ, I made him House of Rep member. It's a mother. House of Rep member. Yes. This is Mrs. Okpera. Yes. The Ikpoba Okha Noga. Please, we want to win our local government. Yes. Our leader is a leader that knows that we are hungry. Exactly. Yes. A leader that knows that for the past 3 days, I have not seen Mrs. Ekhator. Yes. Ms. Okpera, have you seen Mrs. Ekhator? I said, no, sir. He will not send a delegate to go and look for Ekhator. Yes. Yes. We don't need a leader that will go and hang in Abuja. You will be calling their phone will be making pong pong. You call us about one day he picks. Whatever, wherever, whether son or rain, you call Osarobo Idahosa. He's always there for us. We don't understand why foreigners are interfering in the affair of Ikpoba Okha. If my son, Honorable EJ, he wants to be one of the leaders of Ikpoba Okha, he has right to call a meeting. You know, by his virtues, he's one of the leaders. But he cannot overthrow the leader he met. He cannot overthrow the leader that be taking care of this local government. Because we will eat is Osarobo. We not wear now Osarobo. Apart from financial, because we are not poor people. We are millionaires. Because nobody is feeding each other. But that guy, Osarobo Idahosa, is always there for you. You a leader? Is it the leader that we don't give you money for today? Don't fish for me, but teach me how to fish. Osarobo is a teacher. Yes. Is it the leader that we come and drop 5 million for 30 people to share like EJ have just done?
No.
Go and buy a bottle of wine of 80,000 per one. Drop 6 bottles. Is that what we call a leader? No. A leader that will bring everybody together. Yes. Tongue and teeth quarrel. They settle. Politician quarrel does not last at all. When you quarrel, you settle. Yes. So what we are saying now, if EJ want to be one of the leaders of Ikpoba Okha, my dear, so I advise you, don't go to state because those people, they deceive you, they ate your money, they didn't make you a governor. Now they are telling you they want to make you leader. Where you did not sow, you cannot reap at all. Come to Ikpoba Okha, you have our own. We will accept you under the leadership of Osarobo. If they want to start another fight, we are APC, we are not running. At all.
I was watching through the social media. I saw a post that EJ, where they gathered in one Victoria house in the guest house, that now EJ is the APC leader. And I said, what is going on? I put a call to EJ. He didn't pick my call. I think it's as usual because it's not accessible. Why he did not pick? It's not accessible. Later, he started calling me. I was in a function. He called me over 20 times. Over 20 times he called me, even through WhatsApp and normal call. Then when I got home, I have to call him back. Sir, what am I seeing? What is the problem? He said, what is that? I said, what news that is trending on the social media? He said, it's not. He said, it's trending. He said, yes. He said, it's fine. I said, what is the problem? It's not that place there. Ekhator's house there that will make you leader. We know you well, but you are not accessible. How can you proclaim that you are our leader? He said he was sent from national to take over the mantle of leadership of Ikpoba Okha. Who now sent you to take over the mantle of leadership of Ikpoba Okha? He said, when we get there, we will know. I told him, sir, even though political enemy of Osarobo, the leader of Ikpoba Okha, we know, they are sending you on errand to go and fight your brother. How will you feel like? He just got wide at me. He said, it's not my brother. It's not my brother. Sabo is not my brother. He said, Sabo is not my friend. It's not my friend. He's my brother. It's my blood brother. I said, your blood brother, look what you are doing to him. You don't look what you are doing to him. He said, Mike, he said, let me tell you. He said, he said, like he told me before, he was sent from national to do the leadership of Ikpoba Okha. He said, EJ, this thing you are doing is not fair. And I heard that place they said they endorsed him as a leader. He went there with 5 million naira. There were 13 of them there inside the bar. He gave them 5 million. He said, I come to the authoritative source we had, because we still have friends there. We are one. Ikpoba Okha is one. They said they all got one. The least one got 130 home. That he even bought them 6 can of Jack Daniel. Which one is bought for 80,000 naira? I told him, sir, all this thing you are doing is not fair. He's on record. He called me. He's on record. He spoke at length for over 20 minutes.
I believe you.
By the time I started telling him the truth, sir, this thing you are causing, you want to come and cause trouble in Ikpoba Okha. It's not fair. You cannot just come from nowhere. You say you are a leader. Even where were you ever since when we were struggling, doing all the struggle? Yes. Even if you can recall, the last election we had of the presidential election of Jagaban, EJ did not participate at all. He's claiming he's from Watsis. We just about him. He's from Watsis. He's not from Watsis. He's not from Watsis. We just about him. He's not from Watsis. He's not from Watsis. But we are just about him. So we want to let the good people of Ikpoba Okha know that thing they did there that day. Yesterday, that day is non avoid. We are here. We stand by Osarobo Idahosa.
For me, I want to speak my dialect, which is Edo language, so that who don't understand English, we still understand Benin. Wahia wa domo ye donu somo. Sebe ebinosu ni Ikpoba Okha. Ho ni to ta mi bi apon. Where mani Ikpoba Okha ni le Osarobo kia. Enwini makwalo, magwa le failure. But na region na me where EJ deba Victor Ekhator iya wigo iya wa to election otena wa ko yin era lebe gbigo ni aka ebege na aspirant yana re ni ana to mima iya na kulima kwa iya pana agagwa de 3 million kiyan obi ogbegbe na we so ni oge 1 million ni ori 2 million ori ehin 2 million ni amake no ri Ikpoba Okha so iya pa o Ikpoba Okha iya pa Ikpoba Okha magwe mani Ikpoba Okha ni lele Leader Osarobo ya authentic Leader Osarobo magwe mama kweji ya Runda igo ge election oge September eya be gbon deri na ni are mo geta magwe ma kweji ya Victor Ekhator egwa ona we chief no we ewu awe chief o mama Runda eya Ikpoba Okha ogo wa Victor Ekhator nu oge ni ma wono na bati ere gwa no ya una lele mama ngwa le Ikpoba Okha na ima ya tele Ikpoba Okha na Victor Ekhator yo consequences Ikpoba Okha no da ga the crisis na na jade iya na ari owo somele iya na when ya settle a crisis na Ikpoba Okha na wo kalele na wo kalele ri o ma gi ami oto so Ekhator mama ngwa le APC mama ngwa le Ikpoba Okha ama iwo ya settlement o mu ije oye ewo ti Ikpoba Okha na ije oye Ikpoba Okha mu wo da no the north to me leader wana oga ati gwe e video ni ma send enu wa ya wa bege oga ati gwe ne Leader Osarobo no la gogo no ri e ba mo koko e governor na ni eri na no Leader Osarobo muti ani e Leader Osarobo na kele gwe o ma gere na akia ma muti anu e de iri e ona mu ge kola boredo e kola iri o go fo leni ha ona Ikpoba Okha eyin gide egba enipo ne ije Agbonyima mama Ikpoba Okha adebe ni ti ma eni ni wa mama o oni when it daughter mi ri agbon wa ya wa we se o.
What pains me most is first, I did not expect this from Honorable EJ. He used to be an honorable, but the way I look at him now, I don't see him as an honorable. He has demoted himself. He has demoted himself.
Totally.
We are thinking of winning. We are thinking of moving ahead. Thank God for our amiable Senator Adams Aliyu Shomole, who have come to merge their grievance members that we should stop and we should follow up with the moving train. So which we did. Thank God for our governor aspirant, Modu Bewubro. We are all behind him because we are going to deliver the both of them because they are our subject. This is APC. We are not PDP. A lot of PDP are decamping to APC.
Exactly.
Imagine the crowd that we have here. People are thinking about moving from one position to the other position. The position you did not work for. You, Honorable Agbonyima, it's so unfortunate for you that this Ekhator that is a deceiver, he was the one deceiving our leader before. But thank God for the victory of leader. Now, when leader now knew that this man is a deceiver, you have to leave from this man. And he has started deceiving you, EJ. You will continue with this man, we will start siphoning money from you. That's how you get money. It's so unfortunate. Osarobo remain our leader, and we are behind Osarobo. Anywhere Osarobo go, we are going to go there. Yes, so we should embrace peace. So, me am for peace, but Osarobo remain my leader.
For Honorable EJ Agbonyima, just like my colleague said, we respect him. We see him as a honorable. He has represented us before. But a couple of months ago, he was here in our Ikpoba Okha local government gathering when we held a meeting that even himself called for. And we had that meeting in Osarobo Idahosa's house, our #1 leader. He knelt down here begging for support.
Yes.
On that very day, that video, we are going to send it to you, Honorable Agbonyima, what do they call him? We will send you that video. Where you promise in this compound of our leader that you are going to buy 3 cow, you are going to carry Akobe, you are going to carry Osayomore's son, so that you can settle the problem of Ikpoba Okha.
That's what he said.
How can a honorable man like you, with a governorship ambition, that the people you give money, as our EA talk, they not carry you reach Oluku? not be we cause am. We would have expected that you would come and join forces with our leader. Let us recover Ikpoba Okha, because this election is a battle.
Yes.
The people that we are going to meet on this election, Honorable Ekhator cannot come out in Ugbeku primary school on election day. What I am saying now, I want the press to take note of it. On election day, go there whether you will see Honorable Ekhator. Go to his house. It's like a graveyard.
Yes.
All the youth he used in Ward 7, there is none of them. He buy polo for another day. They can't access him anymore. The truth is that I want Honorable Ewema to understand that that man is very broke now. He has no job, he has no establishment, he has no major source of income other than he has been reaping from the crisis in Ikpoba Okha. We are not going to crisis into this election. We know ourselves. Even all of them that gathered there. The way the country dey now, who they go say make he come take 180,000 wey they no go. Now then when he go, not be they see they call us.
Yes.
No. They see tell us how much they give them. Who buy rice? See tell us say buy rice. Yes. So that one alone, EJ, you are supposed to know that you are in a very wrong place. It is not too late to quickly call our Ikpoba Okha leader, Honorable Osarobo Idahosa, and tender an unreserved apology. If possible, not just in a state television, but in a national television. Yes. As I here have said, we will still receive you. We know say if somebody can come from another state and nationalize here, not to talk of you where you from Owodekom, yes. We will still accommodate you in this place.
Chief Ekhator made me a woman leader. I don't hide that. But the issue of crisis, I am not supporting him there. Because when it comes to politics is a game of number. Now crowd, when crisis is there, they say, oh, make we unite. Now Honorable EJ say, good, make we unite. We say, no problem. Anywhere we will take our go. We ready so far make all of us be one. Because we want to make APC win. We don't want the opposition again. Now we agree. Ever since because of money, the other side don't want to make the agreement come together. If we even go join them for any this thing, they go share money, they go leave us. If they share cloth, they not go give me. Anything they do, but am I not looking healthy? Exactly. Because not be that one go make a person rich or now you go bring am down. The only true I want to be say now Honorable Osarobo Idahosa. Now he start struggle, this new struggle for Ikpoba Okha. And now he will still dey follow till date. Agbonyima no dey the time we dey lock door 6 a.m. They has do meeting when governor dey pursue us to go. He dey Abuja that time. Until tomorrow, na Honorable Osarobo Idahosa be leader for APC. Na him we dey support forever and ever. Amen.
You are here because we hear another matter where we know for Arewa community this morning. We know Osarobo leader for this Ikpoba Okha. But quickly this morning somebody told me say we agree with you. Somebody say not the Osarobo, and because of that one quickly somebody come and say move go the place where our people dey, where we know our leader. Move explain what he is going. But now we will know Osarobo as leader of our camp for Arewa community. Then as we dey here now, tomorrow and any time now Osarobo will know our Arewa community.
Our papa will be Osarobo Idahosa. Now we know as the authentic leader, the authentic, the correct leader. Yes, so Ikpoba Okha. Because sometimes God say people can't chop belle full. Only 13 of them just sit down. They said they don't adopt Agbonyima.
EJ Agbonyima since so they do election, we not dey see am, we not dey come out. If you call him phone not dey go. At all. We come surprise now our people wey still go now they still tell us the matter still happen. Yes. Say 5 million with the way what Nigeria be today, who go come in man can't take 50 just now jump up. So. Even 5,000 don't cover the secret for the day. So when those ones hear the paper when it drop, all of them wrong go. But as we speak today, Osarobo Idahosa, rain dey fall, sun dey shine, na morning na night na be our leader for. And we the Arewas, he not leave us one day. He's always there for us. Anytime when he call us the Arewa, if we like Oga dey, Oga not dey, we go jump up. So he remain our original and authentic leader.
Ebimeno Julius Mebe Okoro for their talk with our Tori Percy. Funaya Okweze contact say they need peace for Ikpoba Okha, not crisis, as they won't win the Edo State governorship election. That now why them they beg them to stop the palava where they won't start, as now Osarobo they know as their leader, and if the wahala continue, they no go fit win the election.
What did they happen now? For me, I not really say I'm like you understand, because the coming in of EJ Agbonyima, the leadership is defined. They will come join the queue because since when we start this race, nobody will say he don't know EJ Agbonyima as a member of Ikpoba Okha Ward 6. When the election celebrated, everybody supported him. But all of a sudden now, we got a surprise during even our Baba election, the president of Nigeria, he was not with us, he not participate, even haven't held the position of a House of Rep. You understand? And they even give him office for Code of Conduct Bureau. And then believe in a person like that, now supposed to go ginger us, give us that mind, the zeal for us to work. But at the end of the day, he was never found until he can't say he want to contest as governor. He still come with all of us say he want to contest. Now class say now Osarobo you go meet is the apex leader of the local government, which he did. You understand? But what is surprised now say 13 persons you go gather with her, say now he can be the apex leader. Leader is not too much of local government, but if you want to become a leader, it should be a unanimous agreement. Everybody will agree. So okay, we don't recognize her as a leader because of the position we don't stay rich too. We need peace in Ikpoba Okha. We don't want to use crisis enter election, but if they want to be the use crisis enter election, result not go come. So I believe say this one now don't send signal to the aspirants, Mondo Pevolo and Dennis Idahosa, who is the running mate to him, say make him know the people now we don't want make they win Ikpoba Okha, because anybody where they fight for leadership tussle during election period, that person don't want make the party win. We want win. Now why we say make them stop this thing, because if we pass like this, nobody will enjoy it.
Me want for here beg all leaders, especially our Papa Endorse Osarobo. Make Ikpoba Okha, this kind of quarrel, it don't too much. We don't want time. We dey Osarobo side with our leader Osarobo. We need winning. We know not because of money, not because we love our party, we love APC. Not because they beg our leaders. May they come. The person we know for Ikpoba Okha will be our leader, maybe leader Osarobo. Right for time. Now we come surprised yesterday when we call here say na EJ Agbonyima could be leader. I mean no fair know that one. I said the day when leader EJ Agbonyima come, we to say he want come with us for our for Ikpoba Okha. We come with us we call our compound here to the beg us. When the beg our leader say he want join us, now our leader can say okay, no wahala. He say he want go governor. Then can say me ask him to take go. Now our leader say no worry, he go show you such go do such go do. So our leader to accept it. We need winning. I beg, we need peace for Ikpoba Okha. We want make peace for Ikpoba Okha so that we will win. Because if all these things continue like this, when you not go take Ikpoba Okha, it means that means we go lose this election. Because all those people they after money. After all this one they do now, they go they build hotel. They go they build houses. They go they buy motor. But our leader Osarobo not be like that. We need winning. Now we work for Ikpoba Okha. So the other day, night, afternoon, morning, now Osarobo not be our leader.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekhator, TMC TV News.